Alright, things progressed quite a bit since got the deck screwed down at all the cross beams. I was able to find a lot more scrap wood than I thought I had. Cut some 2x4s. I cut them at 19 inches for the 3 inches there, about 16 there. Just threw a couple pieces of sheet metal wrap, threw a couple screws in there just to help it a little bit for the side pressure, because I mean it's basically tin metal. So that's what it looks like at this point. Project's done. Due to the holiday, my inner tubes won't be in until Friday, so that'll be my next project, is doing those. So there's a 4x8 utility trailer that is gonna go to my backyard, and it's just for scrap. You know, rotors, shocks, just anything that's metal based. And then basically it takes me about a year, sometimes depends on jobs and side gigs and whatever I have you. I'll end up filling this up. I just had this year for 2024. I just did my all my scrapping. It was about 4,000 pounds is what I had for this year to scrap. So I'm like, well, time to redo the trailer. Now that the deck is on there, there's very, very, very little twist out of it. Now that it's got all that extra support. So this will be good to last a few more years for what I do with it. So thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys like this simple backyard build. One other thing we're considering is we might throw a weld here so it doesn't try and split down, but it is what it is. Catch you later.